Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, here we are, Everett Kept Outside Productions. We are in beautiful Panama City, Florida. I'm on my family vacation. Fishing addict that I am, I couldn't handle it. So I rented me a 22-foot center comp. Getting ready to head on over to Dick's Sporting Goods to get me some saltwater tackle and maybe a couple rods and reels. Well, the people with me is going to go have some fun on a 22-foot center console in the middle of Gulf of Mexico. Seas look to be pretty calm, so we shouldn't have to stay in the bay. We should be able to go out on the big water, see what we can do. This will be my first time. I'm kind of leading myself on my own. I've always chartered before, but it should be fun and interesting, so stick with us. We'll see you Saturday morning. Here's my fishing partner for Saturday. We made a stop just outside of the outlet on some shipping buoys, and we did some casting around on some baits that I had tied on, but I decided that that really wasn't the way I wanted to do it, and I wanted to do some trolling. So we get about a mile out offshore, we see lots of flying fish, so it's time to tie on some trolling baits, and let's see what we can make happen. All the lines are in, now to stick with the bait. We got something.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh, it's fighting, ain't it?
Yeah, it's fighting.
We don't even have a net.
I'll get it. We'll figure out
Are you
what
making
it
sure
is.
you're getting it? Oh, it's a pretty fish. Oh, wow.
It's pissed.
Willie's mama is pretty excited
it's
about
Kobe.
Willie's radio station.
I'm not sure what.
Gorgeous.
But
Get it in the mouth.
It's gonna take a second.
Oh my gosh.
To hear the excitement in everyone's voices, I knew that the rest of the day was gonna be
Oh,
awesome.
are you getting it?
Yes. How could I not be getting it?
Awesome. Can you keep
Get out of the way of the front.
Alright, we're out of the way.
I broke my line.
You little bastard.
Well, let's get reset. We'll get another one. go crazy. Don't go crazy. Keep rolling. Keep your hand on there. Emmy spots a floating barrel, so we make our way towards it.
Do you have the swim bait or me?
No, we both got the same thing. It's like a drop shot. So we should be doing the same thing I am.
Oh,
You got something?
I don't know. Oh,
Yeah, you do. Real. Emmy's got something. So do I. Oh, no, I don't. Keep going. Pull up. Where's the camera? Keep going. Is it coming? There you go. Look at that. I don't know, like a little sea bass.
Oh, it is. Can I get a picture of your phone?
Yeah, let me make sure they're not my way.
That's cool looking. Here,
Looks like it's pointed.
let me. Look at the colors in it.
Yeah, I don't know if you can touch it.
Can I take a picture with it like on my pole?
Here, get Emmy in the picture.
Woohoo!
So back out there and try to get another one.
Good job.
Good job, Emmy.
Hey, get your handbags on, dude.
Good.
You don't know who you're fishing
Easy.
with.
Get your game face on, girl.
Favorites. This is Wild Willie 100.1.
You good? No, leave it open.
I don't have any water. Oh,
You got another one?
yeah.
Oh
She
my
does.
god.
Dang, Emmy. Oh my God, look, you see it jump? Look at it. Look at it.
Video. Holy crap, Emmy.
I told you you didn't know who you were fishing with.
Oh, it's a
Oh my
mahi.
God.
It's a small mahi, I think.
What?
Oh, it is. It's a small mahi.
No way.
I swear. Look at it.
Oh
Get it in the boat. I don't know what size they gotta be, but that is definitely a mahi-mahi.
I told you you didn't know who you were fishing with.
It's bleeding everywhere. Yeah, it's bleeding really bad. Oh my gosh, Emmy! This spot is fire. Oh no.
Yeah, he ate it.
What happened? He ate it.
He's bleeding so bad. You know, it looks like someone
Yeah.
got murdered in the back of this boat.
Did we let him go?
No, it's waiting me off.
Let's see him out. Hey, don't be dumb. Like the other one.
Look at the beautiful colors in that thing. Look at that.
Oh, look at us against your shirt. Oh, that's a cool picture.
Yeah, you caught it. Here, get your pole out of the way.
Wait, Emmy,
Before we
wait.
tear it
Make
up.
sure you get it. Grab
Don't
yes.
let it down.
Do not let it go.
Wow. I'm not fishing with my life.
Here, grab him right there. Squeeze him. Right there.
Everett, put your butt thing down.
Mahi-Mahi! We fished the Black Buoy for a little while longer with no luck. We did some running around and fished some other spots with no luck. And then we ran into the storm.
truck, rained out. It's over. Gotta go settle up some gas. Thanks for watching. Kept Outside.
What's keeping you outside?